Unboxing Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2 Portable Power Station. Let's see what's inside. Thank you for choosing Anker Solix. Ipa-message sila. Then, out of the box, the warranty card, 5-year warranty, and the manual. Next, let's open this up. Medyo secure kasi to. Magandang packaging niya, in fairness. Yan, ayun na yung mismong Anker Solix. So, dito may nakalagay ng ipapower daw niya yung essential appliances mo. Kung 2-door fridge, 70 to 14 hours. Kung microwave, 700 watts, 1.3 hours. Kung CPAP machine, kung nag-i-snore ka, 40 watts, 15 hours daw. Oxygen tank, 300 watts, 3 hours. Kung gagamitin mo siya pang wifi, which is 10 watts, 60 hours. And kung computer monitor, 9.1 hours. So, yun yung capacity niya. So, 1024 watt hour, 2000 watts. Mabilis daw siya mag-recharge in 49 minutes, 100% na. May 9 ports siya. And 4,000 cycles that can last to 10 years. So, right. Go back again in the box, and it's heavy. I just pull it up. There you go. That's it. Anker Solix. And ayun yung baba niya. Meron din siyang accessory box here. Ito lang yung laman ng box. Ayan. Tsaka ito, yung manual and all. Okay. Let's see. Mga kable, yung accessory box nya. There you go. You have power cables. Mga heavy duty to. Yan. Power cable. Pang charge sa kanya. Next is ito naman DC. Pang car. And another plug like this. So ayun ang laman niya. Let's try to open it up if it's working. Anker Solix. I assume this is the power button. May long press ko, may lumabas. And it's 59% full, which is nice. Out of the box, naka-charge na siya. Meron siyang 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 na universal charger. Universal plug. At meron siyang 1, 2, 3 na type C. Yung isa 15 watts, yung dalawa 140 watts. Then may USB type A na 12 watts. Yan. Ito pang solar panel sa akin, XT1. Tama nga ba? I'm gonna research on that. Next, ito, hindi natin alam ng button yan, but there's a button there. And ito yung saksakan nito. Yan. Para yun dyan. So yan, that's it. We're gonna try to use it and tell you how it fares in real world use. That's it. A quick unboxing ng Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2 Portable Power Station. Let's go!